Hey, welcome to Brains Pump for 30th July 2024 Current Affairs. What is the name of the initiative launched by the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, to dismantle a sophisticated international cyber-enabled financial crime network? Option A, Operation Chakra 3. B, Operation Cyber Shield. C, Operation SafeNet. D, Operation Cyber Guard. Answer A, Operation Chakra 3. Which country will host the 2024 Olympics, and how many times has it hosted the event before? Option A, Japan, twice. B, USA, 3 times. C, France, twice. D, UK, twice. Answer C, France, twice. When is International Tiger Day celebrated, and what is its primary goal? Option A, 28th July, to promote wildlife conservation. B, 29th July, to raise awareness about tiger conservation. C, 12th August, to celebrate biodiversity. D, 29th August, to highlight endangered species. Answer B, 29th July, to raise awareness about tiger conservation. What recent ruling did the Supreme Court of India make regarding genetically modified mustard? Option A, approved commercial sale. B, deferred decision. C, banned commercial sale. D, allowed limited trials. Answer C, banned commercial sale. What significant decision did the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, announce to enhance exam security? Option A, introduction of biometric verification. B, use of artificial intelligence for monitoring. C, overhaul of exam system with new technology. D, implementation of open book exams. Answer C, overhaul of exam system with new technology. What is the significance of the CRPF Foundation Day celebrated on 27th July 2024? Option A, commemoration of its founding in 1939. B, celebration of its modernization. C, recognition of its international peacekeeping efforts. D, anniversary of its largest operation. Answer A, commemoration of its founding in 1939. Which organization announced a new project to speed up the development of vaccines for bird flu in poorer countries using mRNA technology? Option A, UNICEF. B, World Health Organization, WHO. C, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. D, Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance. Answer B, World Health Organization, WHO. What was the theme of the International Tiger Day 2024? Option A, Save Tigers. B, Tiger Conservation, the road ahead. C, Their survival is in our hands. D, Tigers forever. Answer C, Their survival is in our hands. Which key piece of legislation did the Supreme Court of India agree to review regarding privacy and data protection? Option A, Right to Information Act. B, Right to Privacy Act. C, Right to be Forgotten. D, Data Protection Act. Answer C, Right to be Forgotten. Which country is collaborating with the CBI for Operation Chakra 3? Option A, China. B, USA. C, Russia. D, UK. Answer B, USA. Subscribe Brains Pump to learn more.